equally. Most of the products now, lalo na yung mga cheap, uses harmful chemicals containing dioxins, phthalates, polyethylene. So yan po yung mga harmful chemicals sa mga products, lalo na sa mga dikit, yung adhesive, yung present sa pandikit sa pinaka-underwear. So what is the best option? So now we have the K-pads, we have the day, we have the night, and then we have the liners. So sa buong buwan, pwede mo siya gamitin pag nagme-mens, pwede rin po kapag daily, no problem. So, we know that it has 8 layers of protection. Pag titignan nyo po yung pinaka-insert ng yung packaging, nakalagay na yan. So, ito yan, 8 yan. Yung pinaka-special talaga dito, yung tinatawag natin anion, no? The negative ion strip na hindi po yung present sa lahat ng napkin. At the same time, yan, cotton, hindi siya plastic, breathable yung material niya. So yan, resealable yung kanyang aluminum pack. So pag nilabas mo, hindi obvious na mukha siyang, napkin. So discreet ang packaging. May active oxygen and negative ion. At meron siyang vaginal health test kit. So for example, itingin mo sa discharge mo, parang, ay, infection kaya to? Nagbabakasyon ka, wala kang access to OB. At least you can use that in the meantime. Pwede mo siyang ilagay sa discharge mo, ilagay mo doon, and then sasabihin niya sa'yo more or less if you have infection or not, if wala ka pang access sa OB. So, yun. Okay? Can be absorbed rapidly. Yeah, an ion, kasi usually when we are menstruating, our mood is affected. Moody, kasi nga, nag-mens. Yung anion gap, based po sa pag-aaral, nakaka-improve po siya ng mood. So, naman nasa-stabilize na yung mood. So, yung irritability mo, nababawasan. So, tayo po mga kababayan ngayon, we are empowered, right? Meaning, gone are the days na mas madami yung housewife, bahay lang. Ngayon, nagtatrabaho na rin tayo, always on the go. Women are also CEOs, they are leaders, they are presidents. Na when you have our period every month, it affects our mood, our activity, our lifestyle. So, important siya to stabilize the mood during our periods. Okay, frequently asked questions. So what makes the K-pad special? So I've mentioned there are 8 layers. Soft cotton, we have the anion strip, the paper, polymer, breathable film, organic adhesives. And then, is it non-toxic? Yes, it is non-toxic, so it prevents irritation. Is it effective in controlling odor and moisture? The answer is yes, because of the anion strip containing 20% of oxygen na nanoneutralize niya po yung bacterial causing na odor. In what ways does the thickness of or the bud impact your comfort? So syempre, the more absorbent it is, the better.